Hello guys, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are at home and taking care of yourselves. So today's video is on this western nude foxy eye look and that's under 200 rupees. Yeah, you heard it right. I know nowadays this kind of a look is so in trend, but we sometimes get confused how to create such looks वो भी कम and सस्ते products के साथ. So that is why I am here today with this look वो भी budget friendly and lesser products के साथ. So let's get started. So first for the primer I will be using my all-time favorite Inside Cosmetics primer. The products I have used today with the link and shade details I have given in the description box. If you want, you guys can purchase them during the Great Republic Day sale on Amazon, which is coming very soon, because during the sale you will get the products at discounted price, so you will save a lot of money, I must say. And by the way, this sale is one of the biggest sales where you will get any product at a very low price. So add these products to your cart right now, and when the sale will begin you can purchase them at lower price. So for the foundation I have used that Eva Cosmetics foundation, which is very lightweight and also it gives medium coverage. So if you want, you can build it up as per your requirement. And to highlight my face I will be using that concealer from Miss Claire, which gives a full coverage look to your face. So yeah. As you guys can see, I am using as minimal product as possible, and also I am using the beauty blender so that it will absorb the excess product from my skin, because nowadays I really want very lightweight base for my skin tone. So yeah, that is why. As I said earlier, I will be using lesser products today. So yeah, today's masterpiece is gonna be this palette from Glam 21 Cosmetics, as I will be using this palette for various purposes today. So first, to set my concealer I will be using that powder shade from this palette and will be applying it wherever I have applied the concealer. Next, taking that contour shade from the same palette, I will be contouring my face. To give a definition to my face, I will be contouring my cheekbones, forehead, jawlines, and lastly my nose. For the blush, I will be using that baked blush from Glam 21 Cosmetics and will be applying it on the apples of my cheeks and on my nose. And taking these two highlighter shades from the same palette, I will be highlighting my face today. So the price of that palette might be 500, but it is fulfilling a lot of purposes and saving your money actually. And you guys can see the highlighter is very pigmented also. So now to set my base, I will be using that makeup fixer from Inside Cosmetics and will be spraying it up all over my face. Next, I will be doing my eyebrows off camera and will get back to you guys. For today's eye makeup also, I will be using that same palette and taking that contour shade, I will be applying it in my crease areas. Actually, I will be contouring my eyes today. And taking a black eyeshadow, I will be creating a half winged liner हल्के हाथों से बस. And taking that highlighter shade from that same palette, I will be applying it on my eyelid. So you guys can see, taking that one palette I will be completing 4 makeup parts today. And to create a foxy eye look effect, I will be creating a wing on the inner corner as well. And now for my lower eyelid, I will be using that same contour shade. And lastly, for the lipstick, I will be using that Swiss Beauty lipstick, and on top of that I will be applying that Nykaa mini liquid lipstick in the shade Chai. So that is my final look, guys. I absolutely love that makeup look, how beautifully it has turned out, that nude shade and also that foxy eye look. I absolutely loved that makeup look. So let me know in the comment section if you guys have enjoyed watching this makeup look, guys. And also don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to check out the Great Republic Day sale on Amazon, which is coming soon. So see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.